Just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing.
So the color that I colored this unit is Icy Mint by Kiss Colors Express Colors. Basically, it's a semi-permanent. The method that I use is the water method, and oh my god, I was just so shocked on how it came out. Like I didn't think it was gonna do this good, but it looks great. It didn't even take 5 minutes to take the color. So I was really impressed. I'm not gonna lie, I was really impressed on the results of the water method. So yeah, I got this from my local beauty supply store, and I paid $3.99 per bottle. I used 2 bottles, and I just did the watercolor method. So I'll show you guys how I achieved this look, honey. So stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for returning. Hello, hi, how you doing to my new subscribers, and how you doing to my old subscribers. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support, and I'm gonna stop rambling now and get to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are going to be coloring this unit, and I'm gonna get to the specs on it. So for right now, this unit, I'm just gonna do something real scarce. Okay, this unit is from Iconic Gold, the hair collection. All right, there will be another detailed video on this unit, but however, today we are just gonna get into coloring this bad boy. And the hair color that I have is Icy Mint by Kiss Express, and it looks like this. I got it from my local beauty supply store, and I paid $3.99 for it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Considering that this hair is really short, this is only 8 inches, you guys. So I'm gonna be doing a blunt bob with this color. Considering that this hair is really short, I think I'm only going to use 1 bottle, but I did purchase 2. So we're going to start by filling this up halfway with warm water. But if I was your girl,
been excited over you. I closed my eyes and thought of us 100 different ways. I've gotten there so many times, I wonder how about you. Day and night and day, all I got to say is if I was your girl, all the things I do to you, I'd make it all my school belongs to you. If I was your woman, the things I did to you, but I'm not, so I can't and I won't. If I was your girl, all the yeah, make it all my school belongs to you. If I was your woman, the things I did to you, but I'm not, so I can't and I won't. But if I was your girl.
Okay guys, this is our finished result. This is our finished baby, okay? We created her, we birthed her, okay? So this is what she looking like. I just put her in this little, I put this little portion in a little bit longer because I noticed that there were a couple of blonde pieces that didn't really take as well as the other pieces. But overall, like this method is like so, like, oh my god, like I don't know what to say. I'm blown away by this method. But this is how she looks, okay? I'm going to blow dry her. All right, I'm gonna blow dry her. I'm gonna flat iron her so that we could really see what she's looking like. But baby, come through. Yes, come through. Come on through. Okay, okay. Come. Okay.